Whitlock, Kevin Love is the X factor tonight in the Cavs' victory. Good bet, bad bet.
You just flipped me. Golden State is winning this thing
Oh.
in 6 because if you're counting on Kevin Love to save the Cleveland Cavaliers,
What is it, you?
Oh my God!
What is it with you and Kevin Love? By the way, you
He's
do
terrible.
know that LeBron's got something at stake here. Like, remember, in the last year, have you noticed we keep hearing this? GM LeBron. Coach, that didn't exist 5 years ago. GM LeBron, because Pat Riley was clearly making the calls. If Love flails, burns out, a puddle of ineptitude, this is damaging to LeBron's legend.
Colin just gave me reason number 2 why Golden State's going to win tonight. Because if LeBron James is stepping out on that court worried about Kevin Love and, again, jumping into the lane and kicking it out to Kevin Love for threes, Cleveland's going down. LeBron needs to go to the hole and finish this thing out. Who cares? Look, what did the Big Three do last game? They scored 84 points.
Oh, geez.
And they need to do the same thing again.
You know hero ball doesn't work. The Thunder tried that. It
Wouldn't
did
you
not
argue
work.
they do need him to do
Yes,
something?
that's why he's the
They
X
need
factor.
him to rebound and to show some heart and hustle. They need him to snap out of this funk he's in mentally. Everyone's inside of his head. He's damn near quit on the team.
Oh, boy.